Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yo-Hos. I wanted to show you guys what we are planning for the actual end result. So this kind of will make a little bit more sense to you once you stick around to the end. So I'll see you there after. Just wanted to keep you up to speed on what we did on our previous video. If you guys then haven't watched that, I will link it below. But this is now part 2 of our very massive renovation of our ensuite in our primary bedroom. Years ago, we built an entire wardrobe system for Mark and I to both have all of our clothing, etc. in these massive units. So because our walk-in closet is really quite a small walk-in closet and our primary bathroom's pretty puny as well, we decided to knock out the wall between the two of them. So last weekend, Mark got busy knocking down the walls and also taking anything he possibly could to the garage so we could take it to the dump. So fast forward to the present, this is what we dealt with this weekend on the ensuite renovation part 2. He was able to take every single sheet off of around this tub. Now, you guys, these sheets came off perfectly.
Tiles are gonna be heavy.
But let's be realistic. They are heavy. Like a piece of drywall themselves are very heavy. So can you imagine with, I'm going to say about 50 tiles hypothetically on each piece? Oh, no thank you. So he was able to cut them into more manageable pieces. Well, manageable-ish. And bring them downstairs and put them out to the garage. So now that he's cleared out all the walls, he can figure out what he's going to do with this tub.
Lots of noise coming up.
Yeah. Okay, see you later. Be careful.
Okay.
Love you, bye.
Drive careful. Love you, bye.
Now, I don't know if you guys have ever heard a saw cutting metal, but let me just tell you for free that it was one of the loudest things I've ever heard in my life going on in this house. It was so loud. Luckily, I had a few errands to run because I'm telling you, I could not have handled that for so long. He is definitely wearing some protective earwear and eyewear and a mask because this, I don't know, I know. So he was able to actually cut it into 3 pieces, more manageable for himself to bring down the stairs. And I do not know where this man gets his energy from because I'm just watching this as he's giving me the footage and it is insane. I'm already tired watching.
So this drain was causing me problems to screw it out, so I got a nice big staple, electrical staple, put it between the plugs, put my pliers around the staple, the top of it, and then take the water pump pliers, use it like a wrench. Works. That's awesome. Oh yeah, there we go. I guess it was doing a little bending in there. Good stuff.
So you guys, I'm going to apologize for this lighting. It is what it is because we're not going to set up a whole lighting system. It's big in here, but it's not that big in here.
I'm going back now.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, everything's nailed here rather than screwed. So it's a lot to take apart.
It is, but that's okay.
Wow. And the house falls down. Ooh, that was like a tooth getting ripped out. Wow. We'll use those 20-year-old 2x4s somewhere, that's for sure.
They're good pieces of wood. That's yeah, absolutely.
Good wood. Next stop. Oh my gosh, I say that every time. It's not good wood, it's gilled wood.
Oh shit, that's funny.
But that's all I hear every time you say that.
Okay, it's gonna be loud.
Okay, bye.
The other blades in that big bag, I need another big jagged one.
Is this it?
No, I need the big one. The one that's not narrow at the top.
And
And it's got big jagged teeth.
it's in this bag?
Yeah, it's probably still wrapped up in plastic too.
Oh, okay. Oh, that one? No?
It's big like that one. Let me see that. That'll do it. Thanks, honey.
No problem.
Now just a couple more cuts.
Yay! That was a lot. Wow. They did not want to come out.
No, they really didn't. I'm gonna make some more noise over here though.
Okay.
Just gotta.
Behind the pooper?
I just gotta.
Take that one little corner off?
Yeah, just take that piece of, so it lines up with the corner.
Yeah, makes sense. So with all this demolition, we have to clean up before we can go any further. He wants to pull up the floor to see where this ductwork goes and, you know, how we can rework it, as well as the plumbing. Okay, you guys, I wanted to bring you up here and actually show you our plan for where we're putting everything. And this floor is so squeaky. This is one of the pet peeves that we have big time. Right now, you're sitting where our bathtub used to be. So you're sitting in the bathtub. But what we're going to do is here, let me show you 1 second. Okay, you guys. So this here is where you guys just were. This is where our big walk-in shower is going to be. And I say big because this is an entire bathtub length. Don't ask me what that length is, but a standard bathtub. Now it's going to be an entire shower. So where is that going to be? Okay, so now this right here is where the toilet is right now. Hold on, I show you. Okay, so where that toilet is, let me, oh my gosh. Oh, it's deadly over here. So that toilet is going to be moved to right here. We're gonna block this part off here, have a wall with a probably pocket door, which I'm kind of excited about. It's gonna be fun to source one of those. And when we come out of I can't stand here. When we come out of the pocket door, this is where our vanity is going to be. It used to be right here. You'd be looking in a mirror. But now we're taking it and having it stretch along this wall to where it kind of ends here. So actually it's from the door to about here. So with that, it's going to give us a whole heck of a lot more room in here. Because before it was just right here we can wash and brush our teeth, and then the tub and the toilet. So it was pretty tight, especially with this door too, you guys, because the vent is directly behind the door. The door keeps opening as soon as the vent comes on, whether it be heat or air conditioning. The door keeps opening, so, and it butts right into your butt. So that's another pet peeve, but that's not why we're redoing this entire bathroom. That's not even the part of it. It's just, it's so small. And because, like we've showed you in the video, that side right here, that used to be a closet. So I hope this is making sense for you guys. And if it doesn't, we'll maybe be able to draw it, maybe show you drawing on a piece of paper. I'm not too sure. We haven't got the video hardware to do the whole fancy rendering. I wish we did. So also, with the vanity, because it's not going to be a standard size, Mark is actually going to customize it exactly to fit the space, which is kind of fun because it gives more ability to kind of customize it to each of our needs. For instance, I want a place that I can put my hair dryer and my flat iron and my curling iron and all that fun stuff. And of course, Mark with the shaving stuff. So I want to be able to do that. Once we get everything moved and figured out, then the fun really begins. Actually, it probably should begin now, because once we get a handle on this, we'll be able to figure out all of the rest of the decorative stuff, which I'm pretty excited about. So you guys, with that, Mark and myself would like to say thank you so much for coming by and watching our couple of episodes thus far. If you guys want to hit that subscribe button, you'll be able to catch all the rest of the episodes. I don't know how many there are going to be. I have no idea. But I do know, now that we've got the dirty work out of the way, once we start to build things back up again, oh, it's going to be, and get this toilet moved, super, super exciting. So you guys, with that, Mark and myself, thank you so much for watching. Oh, hey, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. It helps us out tremendously and we mucho appreciate it. Bye.